Hey everyone, it's Erica. I have a process video for you today for the Hip Kit Club creative team, and I'm going to be using the May 2023 kits and a cut file. I'm going to start off by backing the cut file with papers from the main kit, and I'm just showing you some of the products that I have pulled out. I am going to be using some of the papers in the Pocket Life kit to back some of the florals in this cut file. I will make sure to link the cut file that I'm using today in the description box below, so make sure you check out the box down below and check out the files. If you are a subscriber, then you will get all the exclusive files for free. You can download all of them from this month and then all of the files from all of the past months. So I'm just going to start out by backing the file, and to do this I'm just going to turn the cut file over, turn the pattern paper over that I want to use, and then trace the inside of the cut file. And I'm going to do a couple of them on camera, and then I will go ahead and fast forward and you'll see it completely backed. For some of the florals on this cut file, I do add adhesive to the floral I want to back and then stick the cut file directly onto the pattern paper and then cut it out that way. It was just easier for me on some of these florals to do that, and there's no right or wrong way to back the files. You can do either or. So for some of the smaller ones I traced the inside, and then for the larger ones I went ahead and directly adhered the cut to the paper and then just fussy cut around it. So I'm just going to do a couple of these on camera, and then we will fast forward and you will see the whole cut file backed. I absolutely love this cut file. I have it cut out on some white textured cardstock, and it's going to be backed with really pretty colors from the collection, and I just love the way that it turned out. For my photo, I'm going to be scrapping a photo of my niece Genesis. She was at the park, and her dad is a really good photographer, and he always is snapping photos of her, so I'm always like messaging him, telling him to send me all of the photos that he's taken of her so that I can scrap them. They're so cute. So I absolutely love this one. I thought it would go perfect with the collection for the May kit, and it's got some yellow in it. She's got little yellow leggings and a white dress, and it's just perfect. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to add a couple layers behind her photo and then get it adhered to the layout. I just think it's the perfect photo with these really pretty colors. And then the title for the layout is Daydreams. I used one of the die cut pieces in the ephemera pack, and I have that popped up towards the bottom of the photo, and you'll see that here in just a little bit. I will leave links to the May kit down below so you guys can check it out. I do believe there are still main kits available if you were interested in that. Here is the cut file all backed, and just look how pretty that looks. And then I've added foam adhesive all over the back. For the base, I am using a really soft pink cardstock from the cardstock kit from the May 2023 kits. You can see a little bit that it's not like white. It's not a white background in the still shot. Some of it does look white, but it is a really, really soft pink, and you can see the difference from my white desk to that paper. There's a little bit of difference, but in person you can tell that it's a really soft pink, but the lights and the photo editing kind of wash it out. But it's really, really pretty, and I love the way that it looks on this really soft pink background. So in the cut file, there's yellows and pinks, purples, oranges, and a really pretty soft like robin's egg color, and I just love the way that looks with the photo. I did add a little bit of editing to the photo to kind of brighten it and lighten up a little bit of the yellow, but I just love the way that it looks. So I'm just trimming up the pattern paper that I've matted the photo with, and then I'm going to adhere the photo directly to the layout, and I'm just going to nestle it in to the cut file. And I just love the way this cut file, you could do it where the florals are like at the bottom of the layout or at the top, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of turn it on its side so that the floral was kind of going on the left side of the page, kind of like going around the photo. So you'll see here what I'm talking about. I've got it all adhered down, and I do have it popped up on some foam adhesive. I'm going to add that title right there at the bottom, and that's also popped up on foam adhesive. Embellishing the layout is really, really simple and light because I just love this big floral statement piece on the layout. So I'm going to add a tab up here at the top, and then a little word sticker will be adhered to that, and it just says love you, and then the tab has like a gold, or not gold, but a silver foil heart on it. And then I do go in with the enamel dots in this kit. Well, they're enamel shapes, and then add a whole bunch of different enamel pieces to the centers of the florals in this cut file. This will just add another texture to the layout and then some interest to those florals. There are these really, really pretty stickers from this month as well. They're butterfly ones, and I'm going to add these to the layout. I wish there would have been one more butterfly, but I'm fine with just putting the 2 on there. Here are these enamels, and I'm going to get these all stuck down, and then there are some hearts in here as well that I will add around the floral piece on the layout. And then I do pull in some puffy stickers, some puffy hearts, and add those around the floral die cut as well. The last thing I do is add a little word strip that says all kinds of amazing, and I tuck that under the Daydreams title. And then I was going through my papers that I have in the kit, and I've already cut into some of them, and I wanted to put something, either mat this layout on something or add something to the sides. And I found this strip from a previous layout that I had border punched the left and the right side, and it's of the really, really colorful stripe paper in this kit, which is like my favorite paper in this collection. So I decided that I would just cut strips, like really, really thin strips, like maybe 1/4 of an inch, and have a straight edge, and then the other edge would be the border punch. And you'll see me do that here in just a little bit. And then I'm going to take those strips. There it is right there. It's just a scrap piece from a previous layout. Going to run it through my paper trimmer and just cut those border strips off, just enough so that I could adhere it to the left and the right side of the layout. And it just adds a little detail, and I think it just finishes this layout off perfectly. It brings in all of those really pretty colors, and then that lace border is just so pretty and adds like a really soft touch to the layout and helps frame it out. So I'm going to get these stuck down to the layout, and it's just perfect. I absolutely love the way that looks, and I wish I had like 10 of these papers because they're so, so pretty. And I think every layout that I've done with this kit has a little bit of this pattern paper in it. It's my absolute favorite. So I'll have still shots for you guys at the end. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite paper in this collection? If it's the one that I'm showing you here with these colorful rainbow stripes that I use for the left and the right, let me know, because that one is my absolute favorite. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys get some time to do something creative, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.